Welcome to my channel. We're talking about Pusheen Box today. It's their holiday edition, which is decorated a little bit like Christmas. So I'm excited. We will see how this goes. If you're new to Pusheen Box, it's a seasonal subscription service. A little bit on the pricey side. I've been debating for the past 3 or 4 years canceling it. I've had it since its inception, like more than 6 years ago, and I actually forgot to upload the Halloween box this year, so that one might go up in January. I know. Makes no sense, but I hate missing these uploads. And yeah, anyway, if you're new here, my name is Janie. I do videos on all things cute, whether that's Squishables, Build-A-Bear, Loungefly, Sanrio, Pusheen, Hot Topic, anything that's cute is gonna go up on this channel. So if you like that kind of thing, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's jump into it, because I haven't checked this box yet, so you'll get the first look. That always happens. So let's look at the artwork for this box. So it's Meowie Christmas, cute. A quick look at some of the items, but let's not look too closely. Oh man, I'm excited. Okay, so my favorite type of item from these types of boxes is the apparel, because I feel like it's the thing that holds up the most. Like sometimes you get little knickknacks that I feel like are kind of cheaply made, but with the apparel, I feel like they're always really, really nice and they hold up well. So this is a Pusheen Christmas sweater. It does smell like plastic or like acrylic, like, you know, a freshly like printed sweater, but it goes away, I'm sure. So it's really beautiful. It has all these different stripes with some candy, with Pusheen in a scarf and a hat, and it just alternates with some snowflakes, and it's really, really beautiful. I'm really excited about this. Next we have a Pusheen spa headband. So I think this is the kind that keeps your hair off of your face while you're doing any kind of skincare. So there's Pusheen right there. I have a couple of these, but honestly, it doesn't hurt to have more. Let's see what it describes it as. So it says here, an adorable, cozy spa headband holds your hair back while you wash your face, apply product, bathe, or do yoga. Okay, so yeah, this is super soft. It's cute, has little ears. Each Pusheen box comes with a limited edition exclusive vinyl figure, and this one is really beautiful. It's Merry Christmas vinyl figure. It features Pusheen as a Christmas tree, so that's the Christmas topper and like a wreath and some ornament lights and stuff like that. This is super, super cute, and I love the box packaging as well. I would have loved it if it had been this Pusheen, but this is still just as cute. I'm excited. It's a nice size. I do love some stationery, even though I don't really use it that often. So this is like some Pusheen sticker, not stickers, post-its. It's a large sticky pad, and it has Pusheen sitting on a wreath with a red bow on her back. Super cute. I like it. These are just so cute that I always find myself not wanting to use them, but I've been a little bit better about that lately. I don't know what this is. It looks like greeting cards, but they look kind of big for greeting cards. Let me read the paper. Okay, they are greeting cards. Send holiday cheer with these 6 greeting cards. They're huge. They're huge. So we have season's greetings. Do they all look the same? Okay, so here's the designs. And mine's a little bit smeared, as you can see. So I'm assuming that was a printing issue. Like they probably put it into the box before it dried up completely. But now I'm really curious, and I want to see if the ones behind it are also smeared, because I noticed that the box design on the outside here is smeared as well. That could also be that it's wrapped in plastic with the mailing slip in the middle. So because it doesn't come in another box, obviously it's more likely to get banged up while it's being shipped via, I don't even know if this comes through UPS or USPS, but I'm not surprised that it's smeared. So look, there's that. Let me just flip through. Okay, so the other ones are fine. This one says on the nice list, and it features Pusheen, Stormy, and I forgot the other one's name. Then we have Pusheen with the red bow. Then we have Pusheen as a Christmas tree with his friends and a little Christmas topper. And then we have Pusheen eating a candy cane with some lollipops and peppermint candies. And then we have the envelopes, which are red, with Pusheen and the scarf and the hat. These are nice. These are huge. These are huge. I'm kind of bummed about the one that's a little messed up, but like I said, sometimes that happens with this box. We have some Pusheen coasters. I really like these. These are really pretty. I don't feel like they have a protective like coating on it, so I feel like similar things can happen. So these are cork coasters, and there's 2 of them, and they are very pretty. I might like not use them for actual coasters though. We got a tea infuser, and this is not the first time Pusheen has given some sort of tea diffuser. This one's actually really beautiful because it has a handle and it has a little Christmas top. This is hand wash only, do not microwave. The only thing is I don't really like tea. Like, I have really been trying my best to drink it more since I've since this past year, but it's something that I've always associated with being sick. It's the thing that my mom would force me to drink as a child, and because of that I think it's gross. I think tea tastes really bad unless it's iced tea and it's like full of sugar, like Lipton iced tea. I'm gonna drink that for sure, but any kind of hot tea, even if it has milk, does not taste good for me. I wish it did because I know it has so many benefits, and then I'd be able to use this cutie pie. But honestly, I just don't like it. I don't like it. I'd rather drink coffee, and I'm not a coffee drinker either, but I'd rather drink hot coffee than tea. Maybe I just haven't found the right one. But yeah, that is everything in this box. I think we went through that pretty quickly. How do I feel about this box? I think it's very nice. I think that sweater just really seals the deal for me, and it's the best item here. And it's the best item in this box. If it wasn't for the sweater, I'd probably be a little bit more on the fence about it and feel like maybe this wasn't worth it. I mean, if you're paying every season, I think the price is almost the same. I think you're supposed to be saving more annually, but it's gotten so expensive and they've had an increase in shipping and stuff. I'm not sponsored by Pusheen Box. Obviously, I just do this because I really love Pusheen, especially when it was super popular, like back in 2012. Now I don't really feel like people talk about Pusheen. Sometimes I'll mention Pusheen, they'll be like, who's that? Like, what's Pusheen? Which makes me feel a little bit old. Will I continue to use or subscribe to Pusheen? I don't know. I might switch to monthly. Maybe. Because I swear every time I forget when I do the annual one, and they don't warn you about charging you. A lot of companies obviously don't, and I hate that. So I ended up having it. It always charges me when I'm not okay. Like my bank account is not okay, and then it's like I think it's more than 160 something. I'm gonna put the price here. We never do a Pusheen price breakdown, but I'm gonna do a price breakdown of what I just paid, because I think it happened in September, for my Pusheen box, the annual subscription. That means it's 4 boxes, and I think that's a lot. I think it's a lot. But technically, I mean, it might be worth it, because usually each of these items, not even including the sweater alone would probably be like $45 to $50, if not more. But the little knickknacks, I mean, these tend to be like what, $10, $15, right? And you're getting like, how many are you getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know. I'm not a very good mathy stats person, so who knows? We'll do it. We should do it. We should do it though. Like we should make this happen. Like an actual price breakdown on everything and how is it worth it? Is it not? At least it's the only subscription box that I have. So anyway, that being said, happy holidays. I hope you're doing well out there. Enjoy the festivities if you're celebrating. And I will see you next time. I'll probably see you in the new year. Until next time.